afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn next point, that is congruence of segments in first chapter, geometrical constructions. In the previous videos we have learned construction of triangles. Next point, congruence of segments. Congruence means एकरूपता and segments means रेषाखंड. रेषाखंडाची एकरूपता. Line segment AB and line segment PQ. When we count the length of AB and PQ by using divider, length of line segment AB equal to 5 cm, length of PQ segment equal to 5 cm. Means length of these two segments are equal. When the lengths of two segments or more than segments are equal in length, then these line segments are said to be congruent. Congruent means ekrup. When lengths of two line segments or more than line segments are equal in length, are said to be these segments are congruent. See, line segments CD and RS. Length of CD equal to 2 cm and length of RS equal to 2 cm. Means length of these two line segments is equal. Means CD and RS are congruent. Symbolically written as seg CD congruent seg RS and seg AB congruent seg PQ. If given the line segments are equal in length, they are congruent. जेव्हा दिलेल्या रेषाखंडाची लांबी ही समान असते तेव्हा ते रेषाखंड एकरूप असतात. If given the line segments are equal in length, they are congruent. जेव्हा रेषाखंडांची लांबी समान असते तेव्हा रेषाखंड एकरूप असतात. See practice set 6. In textbook, in first question, figure is given and said write down the names of congruent segment. You put the divider on your textbook and which line segments are congruent, write down. When we put the line divider on seg GM and GR, we see that these two line segments are congruent. Means seg GM congruent seg GR. And then next put the divider on GN and GE. You know that the length of GN and GE in divider is equal. Means seg GN congruent seg GE. Then put the divider on GB and GC. The length of two these line segments are equal. Seg GB congruent seg GC. And last, when we put the divider on GN, GE, GM and GR, we know that all the four line segments are of equal length. Means seg GM congruent seg GN, congruent seg GR and congruent seg GE. GM, GR, GN and GE. These four line segments are of equal in length. बिंदू आहेत त्याच्यामधलं अंतर हे समान आहे. म्हणजे QP, PZ, ZY, YX या बिंदू मधलं अंतर समान आहे. तर आपल्याला काय करायचंय, या ज्या रिकाम्या जागा दिलेल्या आहेत त्या भरायच्या, म्हणजे fill in the blanks. First, set AB congruent set dash dash. See students, in set AB distance is 1 unit. You can write different answers for this question. I write AB equal to BC, or set any XY, ZY, QP, XY, because in AB distance and in any 2 points on this line is equal distance. Next, set AP. See students, from A to point P means set AP. Count the distance: 1 unit, 2 unit, 3, 4, 5. And next segment in which distance is 5 unit. Write down the name of segment. From point Q, 1 unit, 2, 3, 4 and 5 means name of the segment, line segment is seg QW, or you can write from Z 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means seg Z B also. Next, third, seg AC congruent seg AC. In AC distance is 2 unit. We can imagine the distance in 2 adjoining point is 1 unit. Means distance in AC, these 2 points is 2 unit. The congruent segment is any 2 points take in which distance is 2 unit. Q, Z, or P, Y, any. You can write different answers. Fourth, seg dash dash congruent seg BY. See students, seg BY, B and here 1. How much distance in BY? Here B, 1, 2, 3, 4 means 4 unit in B and Y. Here any 2 points in which distance is 4 unit. Here from Q, 1, 2, 3, 4 means Q X. Q X. Seg QX congruent seg BY. Then next fifth, seg dash dash congruent seg YQ. YQ in distance in between these 2 points is 1, 2, 3 units. We start from point Y. 1, 2, 3 means YA, or any. You can write different answers. YQ. YQ. We write Y A. YA. WC also, and PX also, because in these 2 points the distance is 3 units from P to X, from X to B, from W to C. Last, seg BW, congruent seg BW means distance is 2 units. Congruent segment means distance in between 2 points is 2 units. Alright, QZ, seg QZ, or seg AC also, seg XA also, and seg XZ also. Any of the answer. Lengths of 2 line segments are equal. They are called congruent segments. Congruence of angles. See students, there are some figures of angles. Angle ABC measure is 35 degree, NIT 90 degree, PTQ 100 degree. Congruence of angles means कोनाची एकरूपता. In this figure, we see angle ABC measure is 35 degree, and see in this figure PQR measure is 35 degree. Means measure of these 2 angles are equal. When measure of angles is equal, they are said to be congruent angles. We know the symbol of congruent. How is written symbolically? Angle ABC measure is 35 degree and angle PQR measure is 35 degree, means equal measure, means angle ABC congruent angle PQR. Remember students, when measure is equal, then angles are congruent. Symbolically, first angle ABC congruent angle PQR, or this can be written angle PQR congruent angle ABC, means angle ABC congruent angle PQR. Reason is measure of these 2 angles is equal. Then observe these given figures. Angle NIT, what is the measure of this angle? 90 degree. In this given figure, the measure of SRI also 90 degree. Means angle NIT and angle SRI are the congruent angles. Symbolically written as angle NIT, angle NIT congruent angle SRI. This can be written angle SRI congruent angle NIT. These 2 angles are congruent because measure of these 2 angles is equal. And then remaining 2 figures, angle PTQ measure is 100 degree and measure of RTS measure is 100 degree, means these 2 angles are congruent. This can be written in symbolically angle RTS congruent angle PTQ, PTQ, or angle PT measure is equal, then angles are congruent. Measure of NIT and measure of SRI 90 degree means these two angles are equal, means congruent. Measure of PTQ equal to 100 degree, RTS equal to 100 degree means these two angles are congruent. Angle ABC equal to 35 degree, angle PQR 35 degree means these two angles are congruent. Practices 7. First question. There are angles given. Using the symbol of congruence, write the names of the pairs of congruent angles in these figures. See students, in given figures, the measure of angle is written using symbol of congruence. We have a right pairs of congruent angles. See students, in this figure, angle XYZ is right angle. In XYZ angle, here this YB is a angle bisector. We learn and we know these are the marks of angle bisector. Here measure of angle XYB equal to 45 degree and measure of angle BYZ also 45 degree. In the given figure, angle ZYZ equal to 30 degree. First pair is angle XYB equal to measure is 45 degree and measure of RST also 45 degree means these two angles are congruent. Angle XYB congruent, angle RST. We can write angle XYB congruent, angle BYZ. Reason is YB is the angle bisector, means these two angles are congruent. Then next pair, measure of angle ZYZ is 30 degree. Measure of LMN also 30 degree. Next pair is angle ZYZ congruent, angle LMN. Here angle PQR equal to 90 degree and we know angle XYZ also 90 degree means angle XYZ congruent, angle PQR. These are the pairs of congruent angles. Next and last point in the chapter, geometrical construction, that is congruence of circles. वर्तुळाची एकरूपता. See students, there are 4 circles A, B, C and D. We can see circle A radius is 1 centimeter and radius of C circle is also 1 centimeter. Means these two circles are congruent. And then next circle B and circle D, radius is 2 centimeter. Here radius are equal, means the circles are congruent. In circles, when radius are equal in length, then the circles are congruent. Symbolically, circle A congruent circle with circle C. Second, circle B congruent circle with D. In circle, when a radius of given circles are equal, then the given circles are congruent. In congruence of circles and in congruence of segments, we learn in congruence of angles. Remember these given 3 points. First, if given line segments are equal in length, they are congruent. जेव्हा रेषाखंडांची लांबी समान असते तेव्हा रेषाखंड एकरूप असतात. Next point, two angles with equal measures are congruent to each other. दोन कोनांचे माप जर समान असतील तर ते कोन एकमेकांशी कसे असतात एकरूप असतात. Two angles with equal measures, when two angles with equal measures are congruent to each other. And last, in circle, circles of equal radius are congruent circles. RADII, radi means many radius. In circles, when radius are equal in length, then these circles are congruent. See students, this word means plural of radius. A radius and a rad means अनेक